Forensic investigation of facade failures. The term forensic investigation means the scientific analysis of evidence. It's often used to determine the cause of a problem, including presentation in a court of law. In construction, the term forensic investigation has come to mean the forensic disassembly of building components in order to better visualize the cause of the problem or failure. This means sometimes getting way up high on the side of the building because that big building is not going to walk into your lab and lay down under a microscope, so you've got to go to it. Now, in order to do this forensic investigation, you need a certain amount of tools and equipment. The most important, of course, is simply a flashlight and a camera so you can look inside. And then you also need to have various types of measurement equipment so you can measure things as you go. And then, of course, you're going to need the tools that will allow you to disassemble or reassemble the building after you're done. Keep in mind, if you put a hole in the building, you need to have it sealed before you walk away. A forensic investigation of building components is a lot like peeling an onion because you're taking one layer apart at a time, and then you're documenting it photographically and measuring it, sometimes even taking samples before you then remove yet another layer and dig deeper in and find out what's going on. Let's hear about your favorite forensic investigations in the comments below.